And an update to breaking news from Independence, a story we've been following all morning. Police say the streets there are much safer this morning after they caught two robbery suspects.
One man was shot and another person was arrested during an overnight confrontation near East 23rd and Sterling. Sloan Heller has been following this all morning long. She has the latest. Sloan.
Good morning, Curtis. Police are telling us that there was a group of police officers from both Independence as well as Kansas City. They were out early this morning investigating a string of convenience store robberies that have been going on over the past couple of months in this area. Well, as they were out, they got a call about a robbery in progress at this 7-Eleven right here behind me. When they got here, they say the two suspects were coming out of the store. One pointed a gun at police, and that's when police started shooting at that suspect. They tell us the suspect was in fact hit. He was taken to the hospital. The other suspect, the other robbery suspect, tried to get away, took off running, but police caught him and arrested him. And we asked police again what it means to catch these two suspects. They say, as you mentioned, the streets are much safer, but again, it is a bittersweet morning. Take a listen.
We don't want anyone to get hurt. We take great pains to prevent any type of injuries, even the suspects. But they're the ones that basically are in control of that aspect of it.
And it is still very early in this investigation. At this point, we don't know how many officers actually shot at that suspect. We're live this morning in Independence. Sloan Heller, NBC Action News Today.